Gambia's Health Ministry has started rolling out COVID-19 vaccination campaign that will be taking place across the country. The move followed the arrival of 36,000 vaccine doses in the Gambia on the 2nd of March, and 37 syringes were also given to the Ministry of Health from the World Health Organization COVAX initiative. The CISA tells us more of that in this report.
As many people cast doubt over the efficacy and effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine, the Health Ministry has on Wednesday held a press conference to raise awareness and understanding ahead of the vaccination. The vaccination in the Gambia will target the priority groups and those aged 40 and above. The Health Minister, Dr. Ahmad Lamin Samate, urges the media to help the ministry to sensitize people on the vaccination.
Most of what the people know about COVID-19 and most of what they are going to know about the vaccination is going to be through yourselves. That is why your role in the success of this vaccination campaign is very, very, very crucial. So we appeal to all of you to send the message, to encourage people to get the facts so that we can report the facts. And we also encourage the people for the uptake of these vaccines to be high, because the vaccines are protective.
WHO country representative Dr. Desta Tirune says this is historic, as it is the first time the world ever produced an effective vaccine in less than a year. He encourages the public to take the vaccine.
Here is now for the public to take up the vaccines and make sure that these vaccines are also put to good use. Not everybody will get the vaccine because we don't have enough of them.
As the President and Cabinet Ministers receive their first jab of the vaccine, the UNICEF country representative Jonathan Lewis hailed the move as great. He acknowledges the effort the Gambia government takes in the fight against the pandemic.
I got a call from my regional director on the Day of Independence, on the 18th of February. And she called the Gambia country office representative as well as 4 other UNICEF representatives in the region. And the question was, are you ready to receive your vaccines? Because our mechanism that we use to arrange for the packaging, the logistics, the supply, the delivery, actually getting the vaccines onto the cargo hold of airplanes, we're ready to go with millions and millions of doses. So the question at that point is the Gambia ready to receive its first shipment of 36,000 vaccines? And I said, well, we're going to have to look into this because this is moving perhaps a little faster than we expected.
The Gambia is expecting more vaccines to be rolled out, and the current vaccination will continue towards the end of the year. The West African nations are the first countries to receive the product as part of the COVAX initiative. COVAX hopes to deliver more than 2 million doses of the vaccines in 2021. As the demand for the vaccines will exceed the supply, there are growing concerns that poorer countries might be left behind in the vaccination program. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Desise.